Hi everyone, welcome to my channel A Happier Me. If you have already watched my videos before, welcome back. Today we are diving into a topic that I know many of us can relate to, keeping our homes organized and clutter-free. Now let's be real for a moment. It's impossible to have a spotless home all the time. We live our lives, we have parties, we get sick, we have kids, and sometimes things just get messy. For example, I just came back from a vacation and I have multiple suitcases to empty, but because I know where all these things go back, it will be an easy process. So, the good news is by implementing some simple systems, you can get your home back to base mode quickly and efficiently. So, I will share habits and tips to have a clutter free house. Habit number 1, the daily tidy up. Spend 10 to 15 minutes each day putting things back where they belong. It's amazing how much difference some of these habits can make, and it can quickly reset your space. If you watch my other videos, I mentioned that I have to clean my kitchen before I go to bed. I need to empty my sink, I need to wipe my counters, I run my dishwasher usually once a day. I wake up to a clean kitchen next morning and it has a positive impact on my mood. I do spend 10 minutes to tidy up my kitchen every single night, even if I feel tired. Habit number 2, make your bed every morning. It's a small task that sets a positive tone for the day and instantly makes your bedroom look tidier. It doesn't take that long, usually about 1 to 2 minutes, so make sure to make this your habit. Habit number 3, adopt one in, one out rule. This could be tricky for some, but try to follow it. If you bring something in, try to discard or donate something equivalent. I know this could be very difficult for many of us because we do bring more stuff than we donate or discard. So if you can somehow keep a track of it, it'll save you so much mental chaos. And in my house, my husband is a hoarder, so I try to kind of balance it out. I hope he's not watching this video. Okay, the next one is using baskets and bins to organize and categorize items. This is especially great for toys, crafts, even pantry items. It makes things easy to find and keeps surfaces clear. So I have multiple types of baskets and bins throughout my house, and it helps contain loose items and hides the clutter. Habit number 5, create a landing zone to everyday items like keys, mails, and bags and purses. A designated spot for these things will prevent clutter from spreading throughout your home. So here, for example, everyday items that you take out from your house or bring it, like your car keys, your wallet, purses, maybe jackets. If you have a designated space, then it'll save you so much time when you're looking for them in a hurry, and try to put them back in the designated space all the time. So this will save you a lot of time and keep your house clean. The next habit is schedule regular decluttering sessions. Go through your belongings and see what you can donate and what you cannot, and the things that you absolutely love, definitely keep them, and whatever you can toss it. The next habit is clean as you go. Whether you're cooking, working on a project, or getting ready in the morning, tidy up as you move from one task to the next. It prevents messes from becoming overwhelming. So if you can put all the spices, sauces, or whatever you've used in your cooking back to their designated space, it will not clutter your counter. Sometimes it's hard for me, but if I do it diligently, it saves me a lot of time at the end of the day to clean up my kitchen. For example, if you can just rinse your cutting board immediately after use, and you can put any type of pots and pans, just fill it up with water and put it in the sink if you cannot wash it right away. So this is something that I do. By the end of the day, I don't have to spend too much time scrubbing it. Sometimes the food can stick, and sometimes it takes a long time to clean it. The next habit is to implement a chore task for the family. So assign tasks and make sure everyone knows their responsibilities. This is not only to keep your home clean, but also to teach your kids about teamwork and accountability. I have created a kids chores tracker that you can use for reference and modify for your own family situation. I do give small monetary rewards to my kids to do their tasks and chores so that they get the incentive to do it on a regular basis. I will share it in the pinned comment. Habit number 9: store away seasonal items. Keep only what you need for the current season accessible and pack away the rest. This will free up space and reduce visual clutter. If you have low space, you can use like vacuum bags, and I have this type of container which can slide under my sink. Sometimes they can go under your bed. So make sure to use those type of bins and containers to store away any items that are not in season. Habit number 10: if possible, try to remove your shoes outside and change into house slippers so that you don't have to clean or mop your floors regularly, and it can prevent a lot of dirt, bacteria, germs from entering your house. Also, you can invest in good quality vacuum cleaners. I have this Dyson one which I absolutely love, and I might buy an automatic vacuum cleaner. I used to have one before, but it wasn't that good. It was about 15 years ago when it was first introduced, but now I know a lot more advanced ones are there in the market. So I'll probably buy one during the Thanksgiving sale. I know the ones that are latest model, they can dock, they can empty the trash, and some of them even have the mop feature. So yeah, make use of smart technology. It'll be a game changer, especially if you have pets and you're very busy. Also, you can consider hiring a professional cleaner who can come to your house, periodically, once a month, twice a month, or whenever you want her to come. This way, they can focus on areas where you normally don't want to clean. For example, baseboards, windows, some of my appliances like my kitchen hood. I don't like to clean my fans, so she does all of that, and this way my house stays dust free. The next one is to create a system that works for your family. Whether it's a nighttime routine, a weekend reset, or a morning ritual, having a consistent habit helps maintain an organized home effortlessly. Every family is different, and no one particular solution will work for everyone. This video is just for reference, and this is the system that works for me, but you can obviously find something that works for your situation. Like sometimes people have different days to tackle different tasks. Somebody would do laundry on a specific day, and they would maybe mop, or just on a specific day. They divide it based on days, versus someone like me would do one load of laundry every day, at least 5 to 6 times a week, because I have a family of 4, and then I have about 20 to 30 minutes each day to clean my house. This way it's under control, and I have made separate videos on how I have done organization in my house, in pantry, my closet, my kitchen. So if you have time, make sure to watch those. I will put the links of all of them in the description below, as well as all the products and appliances that I use that makes my life simple. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.